Hi, so just a little update on the channel. As promised, I'll be doing lots of challenges in this channel with the bike. At the moment with the Brompton bike, I've decided to do a 100k ride on the Brompton to raise money for Mine charity, and I've set up a GoFundMe page. Link will be in the description below. I'll need all the support that you can give, advice, whatever, because it'll be my first 100k in one day. I'm excited for this. I've started training, so it's gonna be more of a day trip. It's not gonna be like a time trial that I need to be at this spot at certain time. So we'll just go out there, have fun with our bike, and yeah, cycle across the coast. Again, thank you for all the support in this channel. We'll see you on the next video.